Hey there! Today we are going to make apple cinnamon truffles. And these are a really simple recipe, but still have a really fancy feel. And being a mom of 3, I'm really busy, so I like to have a bunch of go-to recipes that are easy to make. So let's get started. I'm going to add some dates into my food processor. There we go. And walnuts, almonds. I'm going to process these first before adding the rest of the ingredients. All right, now I'm going to add the apples. And a little bit of vanilla. And then I'm going to process this again. You want them to reach a sticky consistency, so I'm going to process this. All right, now we're ready to roll them. It's pretty easy because the nuts have been blended really well and the walnuts add this nice consistency. And I am going to make a topping to roll them in. This is Coconut Secret coconut crystals, and I'm using this brand because it's still raw, but you could use any sugar that you like. And then I'm going to mix it with cinnamon. Just mix it all together. All right, now roll it in. Just like that. I've always brought these to my kids' school. It's a great snack to bring for birthday parties, and my kids love to help roll these. You want these a little bit bigger than bite size. The omega-3 fatty acids from the walnuts add a lot of nutrients to these truffles, but also is what makes them kind of buttery and adds a really nice texture. And it holds them together really well. And then the almonds add some more nutrients, but also a little crunch. These smell amazing. Apples and cinnamon are just such a perfect complement to one another. We're always interested in your recipe ideas, so if you've got any, make sure to comment below.